Today, we're talking about Ionil T Shampoo, which is used to treat dandruff and other scaly, itchy skin conditions such as psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis. The active ingredient in this shampoo is coal tar, which belongs to a class of drugs known as keratoplastics. It works by causing the skin to shed dead cells from its top layer and slow down the growth of skin cells. This effect decreases scaling and dryness, as well as decreasing itchiness from these skin conditions. For best results, use this shampoo as directed by your doctor or pharmacist. It is important to follow the dosage and timing instructions for optimal effectiveness. Make sure to read and follow the instructions on the shampoo's packaging. This product is meant to be used only on the hair and scalp, so be careful to avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, mouth, groin, or rectum. If it does come into contact with these areas, rinse with cool water for 15 minutes and wash your hands after use. Do not use this shampoo on broken or infected skin without consulting your doctor first. When using Ionil T shampoo, wet your hair and scalp completely, then apply a generous amount of the shampoo and massage it into a lather. Leave the lather on your scalp for a few minutes before rinsing and repeating the process. To prevent the shampoo from getting into your eyes, keep your eyes closed while shampooing and consider using a washcloth or towel to protect them. Typically, this product should be used twice a week or as directed by your doctor. The dosage will depend on your medical condition, the specific type/brand of the product, and how you respond to the treatment. It's important not to use more of the medication, use it more frequently, or use it for a longer period than directed, as this could increase the risk of side effects. If your skin condition does not improve or worsens, especially if it covers a large area of skin, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical assistance promptly. If you experience skin or scalp irritation, or notice staining of the skin or hair, especially if you have blonde, bleached, dyed, or gray hair, stop using this product and tell your doctor or pharmacist right away. If your doctor has prescribed Ionil T shampoo, it means they believe that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Long-term use of Ionil T shampoo can lead to hair follicle problems, such as tar acne. If you notice new skin bumps or acne in the treated area, contact your doctor. While a serious allergic reaction to this medication is rare, seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Ionil T shampoo, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. Ionil T shampoo may make you more sensitive to the sun, so be sure to completely wash it off before going out into the sun. Avoid sun exposure, tanning booths, and sun lamps for at least 24 hours after using this medication unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Other medications may also increase your sun sensitivity, so be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. If you experience sunburn or skin blisters/redness, be sure to inform your doctor right away. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. Be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is unknown whether this drug passes into breast milk, so be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when using Ionil T shampoo. This can impact how your other medications work and increase the risk of serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to make any changes to your medication dosage without consulting your doctor first. It's important to note that Ionil T shampoo should not be swallowed, as it can be harmful if ingested in large amounts. If someone does accidentally swallow this shampoo and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center for assistance. Always be mindful of the potential risks and take necessary precautions to avoid ingestion of Ionil T Shampoo. This shampoo may cause staining on clothing, so be careful when using it. It is important not to share this medication with others if it has been prescribed specifically for you by your doctor. If you forget to use Ionil T Shampoo, use it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and continue with your regular schedule. Do not use double the amount to make up for the missed dose. When using Ionil T Shampoo, it is important to keep it at room temperature. Different brands of this medication may have specific storage requirements, so it is best to refer to the package labeling or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It is crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the product or it has expired, it is important to properly discard it. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. It is best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.